Okay, so here we have a boat, and the boat has a mass of 3,200 kilograms, and it's originally moving forward with a velocity of 3 meters per second. And then all of a sudden, a huge great white shark, okay, that's my best great white shark, sorry, yar, is going to jump onto the boat. And the great white shark has a mass of 1950 kilograms, and the shark has a velocity of 1 meter per second forward. Okay, and the question is, what is the new velocity of the shark boat system? Okay, so we start out with, now they're apart originally and they're together afterwards. So this is an inelastic problem. So m1v1 plus m2v2 is equal to, and they come together. So we put the mass and the velocity of the shark in, and we put the mass of the boat and the velocity of the boat, and then afterwards they're together. So 1950 plus 3,200, and we're solving for the velocity. Okay, so we got, this guy is 1950 plus 3,200 times 3 is 9,600 equals, and we're going to add these numbers together. So, and we get 5,150. So we can add these two now. So we have 11550 is equal to 5,150, and we can divide. And we end up with a velocity of 2.2 meters per second. All right, there we go.